bless you. I gotta sneeze. Today is September 8th. He's 3 months old today. What's that? Talk some more. Come on, you were talking a lot. Yeah. Yeah, tell me the whole story. Come on. Now you're being camera shy. Where's all your words? Where's all your words? Yeah. Oh, God bless you. What'd you do today? Say you reached for your monkey and grabbed him 2 times. Yeah. I'm so proud of the baby. Yeah. Okay, want to say bye-bye? Oh. Make him talk, Daddy.
Hey, say something. Look, it's your friend the orange bear. Say something.
Oh. Oh. I'm gonna give this video to DCFS. Oh, there's a bear on your head. Oh, now then you're back. Where'd you get that bear? From Grandma and Grandpa Welch. Great Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Okay, you want to talk later? Say bye. Bye-bye.